Hi there, students. A scion, a countable noun, a rather literary word. A scion is a descendant of a family, particularly of a rich or powerful or distinguished family. So, Bang Bang Marcos in the Philippines is a scion of the old dictatorship. Okay, this is particularly used when it's a first generation descendant. Yeah, so effectively a descendant. You can also use this to mean an heir to the throne. So the scions of the House of Windsor will eventually take over the throne. Okay, so effectively just a descendant. It's a posh formal word, yeah, a literary word to say a descendant of somebody, particularly somebody powerful. Notice you can also use this word scion in gardening. Yeah, this is where you take a shoot, a growing shoot off a plant, normally with a heel, and then you try to join it to another root or to the root of something, and that is a scion. This process is known as grafting. Okay, but that's rather technical. So a scion, a descendant particularly of a rich or wealthy family, a successor, an heir, the offspring of. He was the scion of an aristocratic family. Yeah, he was a scion of an aristocratic family that lost all its money during the French Revolution. Yeah, so it's a young member of a rich and famous family. She was a scion of a publishing magnate. Yeah, normally a young member of a rich and famous family, and I think that's mostly how I would use it. Yeah, so a scion of a rich and famous family, a scion of a dynasty. Yeah, a successor, somebody who's going to inherit, a descendant. I guess you could also use this metaphorically as well, as in these ideas are scions of an earlier theory. Yes, so descendants of, and you could use it in that way as well. This theory is a scion of Einstein's theory of relativity, for example. Or I guess the smartphone is a scion of the old fixed telephone that we used to have. Well, maybe we still do have, but not very much. Okay, so a scion. Either a young shoot that you're going to use for grafting or to root, like a cutting, yeah, or a descendant, an heir of a rich, wealthy, powerful family. So, formality. I think I'm going to give this word a 7.5. It sounds very literary. Don't use it informally. In a semi-formal conversation, maybe. In a semi-formal writing, definitely. And in a formal writing as well. Okay, so a scion. And then as to origin, well, it comes through Old French, from Frankish, from a Proto-Germanic word, kiva, meaning a sprout. Okay, so the word has changed quite a lot on its way, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, gay, to split open, to sprout. Okay, so a scion. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Scion.